Hello guys, welcome to my channel Labortech, and for today's video we're gonna unbox the InPlay NK970 mechanical keyboard. So we'll unbox this one and then we'll check the lightning effect of this mechanical keyboard. Ito na yung keyboard natin from InPlay, which is the NK970 mechanical keyboard. And then ito sa harap, which is meron siyang blue, red, at saka white na keyboard. Sa likod naman, we have 3 types pala na keyboard from InPlay, which is meron tayong NK970 M1, which is yung purely black. At saka si M2 naman is blue, red, and white. And then we have the M3, which is white and gray. So, ito naman yung mga product parameters niya, then lightning adjustment, and then mga function keys. So, ilagay ko na lang to doon sa description. So, buksan na natin yung keyboard, yung box, para matingnan natin kung ano yung kasama sa item. So, we have the user's manual, and then of course, we have the USB Type-C. So, hindi lang siya braided type. Ayan. And then of course we have the keyboard. So wala lang siyang kasamang keycap puller. So ito yun sa atin, which is ang gray and saka white. Ang layout or size ng keyboard natin is 95%, meaning compact yung keyboard natin. And then yung keycaps is naka EBS. And then yung connection niya is wired. Not hot swappable, so hindi mo siya mapalitan yung switches. And then yung switch na ngayon is naka blue switches, so meaning clicky type of switches siya. And then rainbow lightning effects, so hindi siya RGB, so fixed lang yung color or lights niya for every keys. Sa likod, ito naman siya, so meron siyang 4 rubber feet, and then 2 types or dalawa yung kickstand niya. So ito yung kickstand. And then ito naman yung port ng USB Type-C natin. So pwede mo siya ma-reroute yung wire natin. It's either from left, sa center, or sa right. So depende sa inyo kung saan nyo gusto ilagay yung or i-reroute yung wires ninyo sa keyboard. So I prefer na nasa left yung wire ko. So ito yon. So nasa gitna yung USB port natin, yung Type-C. Tapos nire-route ko siya sa left side. So ito yung keyboard natin. So yun, ito siya is naka blue switches. Ito naman yung keycaps niya. Ayan. So naka blue switches siya. This time, i-check naman natin yung lightning effects niya. So yung pinakauna, ito yung lightning niya. Naka-steady siya lahat. So ayan, naka-steady. So to change yung lightning effects niya, so we have to press function at saka backslash. So ito yung pinakauna, so ito yung pangalawa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, a total of 16 lightning effects. Sa pag-change naman ng brightness niya, so function, it could be arrow up or arrow down. So since naka 100% yung brightness na ngayon, so we have to press function at saka arrow down. So, arrow down. Ayan. Arrow down again. One more. Another one. So, nag-off yung lightning niya. So, pag ibalik, so arrow up naman tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 up yung ginawa ko doon sa arrow key natin. So, pwede natin ma-change yung speed ng effects natin. So, function, it could be arrow left or arrow right. So, this time, arrow right tayo. Function, then arrow right. Ayan. So, makita natin, bumilis yung speed niya from left to right, yung lightning effects niya. Ayan. Meron isang function din, yung F1, F2. So, mga shortcut keys din siya. Fn, tapos F1, yung brightness, yung monitor mo, tapos yung Fn plus F3, so calculator. So, ayan, makikita mo dyan sa, sa function keys kung ano yung other shortcuts na magagawa mo doon sa keyboard mo. So, ilagay ko na lang yung mga shortcuts dyan or mga functions sa descriptions din. Ito naman yung sounds niya pag nagta-type tayo sa sa keyboard natin. So, hindi na tayo magta-type yung usual typing. So, press lang natin yung mga keys. Kung ano yung tunog niya, yun yung press na keys. Don't forget to like this video kung nakatulong man sa inyo. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell para at least updated kayo sa mga future upload ng mga videos ko. Thanks for watching. Bye!